In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho People. Once you are signed in to Zoho People, you will mainly use 4 areas for day-to-day employee tasks: attendance, leave tracker, timesheets, and your personal profile. I will walk you through each one in a clear order so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, go to attendance. This is where you record your workday. Inside attendance, choose either check-in or check-out depending on what you need at that moment. Check in at the start of your shift and check out when you finish. Before you submit, take a second to confirm you are selecting the correct option so your time is recorded accurately. If your organization uses location or device restrictions, make sure you are following the usual method your workplace expects. Next, go to Leave Tracker. This is where you request time off. Open Leave Tracker, then select Add Leave Request. From there, you will choose the type of leave and enter the dates you need. It helps to review the dates carefully before submitting, especially if you are requesting multiple days. After you submit the request, it typically goes through an approval process, so keep an eye out for status updates inside the same area. After that, go to Timesheet. In the Timesheet section, open Time Logs, then select the option to add a new entry by clicking +Add. This is where you log the time you spent working, usually tied to a specific task or time period. Enter the details your organization requires, then save your entry. A good habit is to log your time consistently, ideally the same day, so you do not forget important details. Finally, for your personal information, go to Self-Service and then open My Profile. This is your personal data area, where you can view your profile information in one place. Review your details for accuracy and keep your records up to date according to your company guidelines. That covers everything you need to know.